Ngayon, I kept on sending. I started with 10, then 20, since 1988. And Inday is still doing it. Na ngayon, kung ipa-reimburse mo yan, saan man ako maghanap ng pera, edi magpakulong na lang ako. Over the years, it's not a financing of a religious journey. Do not take it in that sense, that is a separation of church and state. Take it as a pacification campaign. For after all, natives man tayo dito and we were subjugated. And because of the religious element, it has thrown us back into the medieval stage of slaughter. Yan ang totoo niya. Kaya magrespeto tayo at kung ikapaligaya, total naman, sinasabi ko, make sure that he is old or heavy. Because ang punta niya doon nature. He will go there and he will pray that he will be buried there. He will die. Kuha niya. So ngayon, sabihin ko kay Kuya, huwag mong prisuhin yan si Del Rosario kasi kung prisuhin mo na pati ako mademanda, pati si Inday. Pag na-demanda ang anak ko, pati ako, mapriso ako, mag-revolt kami uli dito sa Mindanao. Kayo ang bahala. Then I will start again to gripe against the historical injustice committed against the Moro people. Just the same. It's all subjugation and imperialism of the son of a bitches of those Westerners.